Let's take a look at the OBSBOT Tiny 2 Lite AI-powered PTZ 4K webcam. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. The Tiny 2 Lite is the newest addition to the OBSBOT line of 4K webcams. It's also the most affordable one yet, priced at $179 US. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. There's a user manual and the warranty card. Here's the webcam itself. There's also a USB-C cable to connect it to the computer, as well as a USB-C to USB-A adapter. The Tiny 2 Lite can do 4K at 30 frames per second or 180p at 60 frames per second. It's equipped with a 48 megapixel half-inch CMOS sensor, and it does 4x digital zoom as well as auto and manual focus. You also have the option for HDR. It connects with USB 2.0 and has built-in dual omnidirectional microphones with noise reduction. It has AI auto tracking with auto zoom and gesture control 2.0. It also has productive preset modes, which will allow you to preset the PTZ position, image settings, as well as other parameters enhancing your productivity. You have the option to shoot in landscape, portrait, or upside down orientation, giving you the versatility whether you're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, or other platforms. It can be mounted on top of your screen, or it can be mounted onto a tripod. It can also just be placed on a flat surface like a desk or table. With Gesture 2.0, you can simply raise your hands up and the camera will follow you automatically. As for zooming in and out, you make an L-shaped hand gesture and move it slowly to the side. For privacy, when you're done using it, you can manually adjust the lens to point straight down, or you can put it in sleep mode with the remote control. The remote control is sold separately. It's a feature-packed webcam, which would come useful to streamers and gamers, or anyone streaming online conferences. If you're interested in the Tiny 2 Lite, I'll place links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.